Welcome to our roundup of the best sous vide machines. Whether you're a home chef aiming for restaurant quality results or someone who loves precision cooking, these top-rated sous vide cookers bring perfect texture, flavor, and consistency to your kitchen. We've tested and selected models that combine performance, accuracy, and ease of use, ideal for everything from juicy steaks to tender vegetables. We'll explore their heating speed, temperature stability, smart features, and overall build quality to help you find the perfect match for your cooking style. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and discover which sous vide machine deserves a spot in your kitchen. The first on the list is the Inkbird EU Plug Sous Vide Cooker. This precision cooker offers professional-grade results with impressive ease of use. It's powered by an efficient 1000-watt motor that heats water quickly and maintains consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. What truly makes it stand out is its precise temperature control, allowing you to set temperatures within 1/10 of a degree for flawless doneness every time. Whether you're cooking steak, fish, or eggs, the results are tender, flavorful, and evenly cooked. The digital LED display is bright and easy to read, and the simple interface ensures hassle-free operation even for beginners. Its 360-degree water circulation system evenly distributes heat to eliminate cold spots, ensuring consistent cooking across all food portions. Overall, the Inkbird EU Plug Sous Vide Cooker combines accuracy, simplicity, and safety. A perfect pick for anyone looking to master precision cooking without complicated setup or bulky equipment. Next up is the Wankel 1100W Waterproof Sous Vide Cooker. This model is known for its fast heating, stable temperature control, and user-friendly design. With a powerful 1100-watt motor, it quickly brings water to your desired temperature and keeps it consistent throughout the cooking session. The intuitive digital control panel allows for easy adjustments of both time and temperature, so you can experiment with different recipes confidently. What's more, its thermal stability precision of 0.1 degrees Celsius ensures that every cut of meat or portion of vegetables is cooked perfectly edge to edge. The machine's silent operation and ergonomic design make it pleasant to use even during long cooking sessions. Its stainless steel build and IPX7 waterproof rating guarantee durability and effortless cleanup after each use. Overall, the Wankel 1100W Waterproof Sous Vide Cooker delivers outstanding performance and value, making it ideal for both everyday home chefs and experienced cooks who appreciate no-nonsense precision. Next, we have the Balashov 1100W Sous Vide Cooker. This powerful cooker is designed for those who value consistency, convenience, and versatility in their kitchen. Its 1100-watt motor ensures rapid water heating and steady temperature maintenance, allowing you to achieve perfect doneness with ease. One of its biggest advantages is the ultra-quiet circulation system, which ensures even heat distribution while keeping noise levels low. You'll barely hear it running, perfect for long overnight cooking sessions. The Balashov also offers intuitive digital controls that make setting time and temperature simple and straightforward. Its clear LCD display provides all the essential information at a glance. Made with durable stainless steel and a waterproof housing, it's built to last and easy to clean. Overall, the Balashov 1100W Sous Vide Cooker is a well-rounded, high-performance appliance that brings professional-level precision to your home kitchen at an affordable price. Next, we have the Inkbird ISV 300W Wi-Fi Sous Vide Machine. If you love smart cooking, this model is made for you. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows you to control and monitor your cooking remotely using the Inkbird app. Perfect for multitasking or entertaining guests while your food cooks perfectly. Despite being compact, it offers precise performance with a powerful 1000-watt motor and maintains temperature within 1/10 of a degree. You can set cooking time, temperature, and monitor progress all from your smartphone, which makes it both fun and convenient to use. The 360-degree water circulation technology ensures that every piece of food is cooked evenly from edge to center, locking in moisture and flavor. Overall, the Inkbird ISV 300W Wi-Fi Sous Vide Machine is a smart, reliable, and highly efficient tool for home chefs who want the convenience of remote control and the precision of professional cooking. The last one on our list is the Wankel 1100W Sous Vide Cooker. This model takes the brand's reliable heating technology and combines it with refined usability and durability. The 1100-watt motor ensures fast water heating and consistent temperature maintenance, so your meals come out perfect every time. Its digital control interface is incredibly simple, allowing even beginners to start cooking like pros with minimal effort. With temperature accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius, it ensures precision for delicate foods like salmon, chicken, or custards. The unit's sturdy stainless steel body and ergonomic grip make it durable yet comfortable to handle, while its IPX7 waterproof rating provides peace of mind for long cooking sessions. Overall, the Wankel 1100W Sous Vide cooker delivers professional results with minimal fuss. A great option for anyone looking for quality and consistency in every meal. So, that wraps up our list of the best sous vide machines available today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product roundups and reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!